So you want to start making money online, right? So this video is for you. This is actually going to be the fastest way how you can start making money with no skill. Like when I say with no skills, I mean it. So before we get started, don't forget to smash the subscribe button right now, like and share, comment below if you have any questions for me, and let's get started. Hey yo guys, here we are. So we are now gonna talk about this website that is called the Free Ad Forum, and in this website you can find a lot of affiliate links which gonna pay out for each category that we have. And in this video we will be talking about services that you can offer, like drop-in services. It doesn't matter what skills you have. I know that everybody knows something, but even if you don't have skills, this website is for you. For example, for me, I'll go here down below to services and I will find business opportunities here, services. So let's go for example, jobs, and here let's pick technology. Okay, let's pick technology and see what we get here. Okay, so once you get here, you see couple of offers, and then what you gotta do is just like click one, earn Bitcoin the easy way possible, for example this one, and then you can make Bitcoin here free. Ready to earn Bitcoin the easiest way possible. Okay, what's going on? We watch this video, and then what else we gotta do is okay, so we need to contact the publisher. Here is the publisher. We will see his profile from United Kingdom. He's offering a lot of affiliate links that we can join, and then we can start making money on each of them. Read this. Let's read this. Your ad featured and highlighted at the top of your category for 90 days, just $5. Okay, this is just an ads from the website, but we don't need this. So let's click here to 12 minutes affiliate system. This is awesome. Who else wants to make 50% monthly recurring commissions and up to 398.50 cents per sale? Wow, that's amazing. So I recommend this, guys. So you just go here, try to talk to this owner of this program and try to know about it more and more. It's easy, just join here. You'll see contact him with your email, the message, and anything that you want to say, and then you get started. Just like 12 minutes affiliate program, and then you're gonna make $398 per sale, just per sale. Imagine how much you can make per month. So this is the website. It's easy to use. Registration is free. It's worldwide, not just for specific countries. Here, just type in your name, your email, and then the password. I'll just do this right away for you guys so we can see here together what's gonna happen inside. So let's just create the account. Maybe there will be a verification email, but however, we will check this out together right now. Okay, so here we are. We got registered. Now I have my profile here, and then let's just say, for example, and now let's go to another opportunity for computers, and then see what's going on with computers here. Okay, here in lock all US Netflix library with VPN City, step to fix Mac, get started now and download your free Bitcoin smart miner. We have seen this one, super affiliate system 2020. Here is it. GVZoo commissions $500 per sale. Again, average webinar conversion rate 16.5%. There's a lot of opportunities here, guys. So just go and watch, read this, watch the videos, and if you like the offer, try to reach out to the seller and then get things done from here. So this is another video, guys. So before we leave, don't forget to smash the subscribe button right now, like and share with friends. Comment below if you have any questions for me. See you guys next time with a new video. Bassim online. Ciao.